We are at Native Mountain Farm, which is on the base of South Mountain here in Boonsboro.
As first light filters over the mountain on a steamy August morning, Natasha Bowens Blair and her mother-in-law, Julie Blair, are already hard at work.
We harvest in the morning because plants don't want to be harvested in the middle of the day in the heat, nor do the harvesters want to work in the middle of the day, but it's really all about the plants. There's still good water content in the stem, so it helps preserve the flower.
So you strip the leaves off the bottom of the stem because that helps the water stay nicer for a longer time.
Natasha and Julie became family in 2014 when Natasha married Julie's son Crosby. 3 years later, they became business partners, planting not just flowers, but a variety of herbs and fruit on this quarter-acre plot of land at Julie's home in Washington County.
I'm an investor, and I'm an avid weeder. Tasha does most of the production planning and the marketing, and I'm really just kind of the gopher, and I'm very happy to do that.
We're kind of at the end of the Appalachian mountain chain. We have very rocky clay soil. We choose what we grow here on the farm based on what will like this soil.
They favor native flowers, perennials that come back year after year, and medicinal plants like the antioxidant-rich elderberry. They sell wholesale at farmers markets, and they do weddings. More recently, they've started partnering with local wineries for what they call sip and stem events, where participants can enjoy some wine and learn floral design.
That was basically going to be our marketing outlet. We had about $20,000 worth of events on the calendar, and then March hit. And so we had to reinvent ourselves.
They opened a roadside stand, started online sales, and a floral CSA that lets customers pay in advance for fresh flowers. But Natasha already knew resilience is a part of farming. In fact, you could say she wrote the book.
It's called The Color of Food, Stories of Race, Resilience, and Farming. And it's basically a portrait of farmers of color all across the country. As a biracial, black, young farmer new to the industry, I was just kind of looking around like, where am I? And where are other people like me? And I wanted to go out and hear their stories as well as tell and discover more of mine.
A story she plans to pass on to her 2 little girls.
I just think it's really important for them to be able to see themselves, not only as farmers, but as business owners.
And perhaps the best part of being a business owner is enjoying the fruits of your labor. Today's harvest, elderberries. Natasha showed me how to determine which ones are ripe for the picking. The key is, the darker, the better.
Another indication that they're ready is when a couple have fallen off, and that's when you know they're dropping naturally and they're also ready to go. Elderberry is really rich in antioxidants.
Really?
One of them, which is the anthocyanin, is what gives it its dark coloring.
Can I eat one right off the...
You sure can.
See what it tastes like? I didn't expect that. It's a very mild flavor. Very nice, very nice.
Not so sweet, a little tart, a little bitter. You do have to be careful how much you eat raw. It is better if you're eating in high quantities to cook it because cyanide.
Oh my.
Not at the level you think, very, very small levels, and it's mainly in the leaves and in the stems.
The crop won't last long in the heat, so Natasha and I headed inside where it's cool. While we were there, I got a chance to taste her favorite way of enjoying elderberries.
Out in the garden, Natasha was telling me all about the nutritional value of elderberries. They're very high in antioxidants and vitamin C. Now, she's managed to kind of refine all that down into this little syrup, which captures all that goodness. And I got to tell you, it's very, very tasty. Now, if you can get some of her elderberries, you can try this at home. It's really easy. We're going to put the recipe on our website at mpt.org/farm so you can give it a try. For the local buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our local buy recipes. And you can watch full episodes there as well. And don't forget to follow us on your favorite social media platforms.